Hello dear students, welcome back to the science class. Dear students, in the previous video class we were studying about the third lesson, fiber to fabric, and in that we were studying about the natural fibers. Yes, natural fibers are nothing but the fibers which are obtained from a plant and animals. The fibers which are obtained from plants and animals are called as natural fibers. In a plant fiber, we have studied about cotton in detail. So, today in this video class, let us study about the jute. As you all know that jute is obtained from a jute plant. Here you can see the picture of a jute plant. Okay, from a jute plant, we are getting a jute fibers. Like a jute bags it may be, okay, like this we are getting from a jute plant, we are getting a jute fibers which we are using in our day-to-day life. As this jute is less expensive, yes, it is very useful. So let us see about the jute here. Jute is a long, soft, shiny plant. Yes, how it is jute? It is a long, soft, shiny plant fiber that can spun into a coarse, strong threads here. So can you see I will show the picture of a jute plant here. Yes, dear students, this is a jute plant. Yes, how jute it is? It is long. Yes, in a length it is long here, and it is soft, shiny plant fiber it is. First it is obtained from a jute plant only, and it is spun into a coarse, strong threads here. It is produced from the skin of the jute plant stem here. How we are getting jute? Yes, what they will do here, they will take the skin of the jute plant here. Okay, that it is obtained from the stem part. It is the second most important plant fiber after cotton. Yes, as I have already told in the previous class, yes, cotton is the first important plant fiber. And in the second place, there is a jute here. So, jute is the second most important plant fiber after cotton. Okay, jute is one of the cheapest natural fibers. As I have already told you, it is a very less expensive. Okay, so it is one of the cheapest natural fiber, and this fiber we are getting naturally here, and it is very cheap. The cost is very less here. So we are getting it from a plant, jute plant, and is second only to the cotton in the amount produced and variety of uses. Jute fibers are of a white to brown in a color. What is the color of the jute fibers, dear students? It is white to brown in a color. And how much meter long it is? 1 to 4 meter long. This fiber is 1 to 4 meter long in its length here. The fabric made from a jute is popularly known as a burlap. Nothing but whatever the fabric we are preparing from this jute plant, whatever the fabric we are preparing from this jute, it is known as what? It is known as a burlap. Remember this meaning of this burlap. Burlap is nothing but the fabric made from the jute. It is known as a burlap. Jute fabrics are also called a Hessian cloth here. Whatever the fabrics prepared by the jute, for that what we are calling another word? We are calling it as a Hessian cloth it is. And jute sacks are also called gunny bags. Yes, if we want to store the grains and all, yes, we are using the gunny bags. Yes, I hope you have seen the gunny bags. Okay, for storing purpose we are using any things, we are using the gunny bags. Nothing but for that we are calling jute sacks are called gunny sacks here. What is burlap, dear students? The fabric made from a jute is known as a burlap. And where this jute is used, it is used in a gunny bags. Okay, to prepare any jute products, we are using this jute item. Okay, jute has been cultivated in India since ancient times. Nothing but ancient is nothing but from the olden days only the cultivation of jute was done, and it is now also it is there. Jute has been cultivated in India since ancient times. The Indian state of Bengal and Bangladesh were the major centers for a jute cultivation till the modernization of the India's jute industry in 1855. See dear students, okay, the Indian state, Bengal and Bangladesh these were the state of India. Now they are separated country. Bengal and Bangladesh, they are now separate country, but first in ancient time they were the state of India, Bengal and Bangladesh. They were the major centers, nothing but in that Bengal and Bangladesh they used to cultivate this jute here till the modernization of India's jute industry in 1855, when Kolkata became the center of jute processing in India. After that it came to the Kolkata. Jute is used chiefly to make a clothes, to wrap the bales of raw cotton, and to make a sacks and coarse cloth here. Jute is used chiefly to make a clothes, to wrap a bales of raw cotton, and to make a sacks and coarse cloth here. Yes, dear students, what are the uses of a jute? Where it is used? Yes, jute is used to make a clothes. In a simple sentence, you remember the uses of a jute here. It is used to make a clothes, the first point. Next, to wrap the bales of raw cotton. Nothing but whatever the raw cotton will be there, okay, they will pack the raw cotton in a jute bags here. So to wrap the bales of a raw cotton and to make a sacks and coarse cloth. So this jute is used here. The fibers are also woven into a curtains. Again, where it is used? It is used in a curtains. Again, chair coverings, carpets and rugs. In all these jute products they will use here. So the jute is used in a curtains, chair coverings, carpets and rugs. It is used to make a bags to pack agriculture produce. Again, where it is used? It is used to pack the agriculture produce. Nothing but in agriculture, whatever they will grow, like grains, it may be vegetables, fruits, whatever they will grow, agriculture produce we call for that. Okay, what they will do here? It is used to make a bags to pack whatever they will produce, agriculture produce, they will pack in that jute bag only. Jute sacks are also used in a packing industry. Okay, the sacks are where it is used? It is used in a packing industry. Here I will show you the picture of a bales of jute. This is the bales of jute. Jute is 100% biodegradable. Nothing but we can reuse it. Biodegradable is nothing but we can reuse it. It is thus used to make the things which could not be made using a synthetic fibers. For example, jute is used to make containers for young saplings which can be planted directly along with the container. The fibers are used alone or blend with the other types of fibers to make a twine and a rope here. Yes, to make the rope also they are using jute in that. Jute buds, the coarse ends of the plants, are used to make inexpensive clothes. Nothing but inexpensive, less expensive. As I have told, it is one of the cheapest fiber. On the other hand, very fine threads of a jute can be separated out and made into imitations of a silk. Jute fibers are also being used to make a pulp and a paper. Where again these jute fibers are used? It is used to make a pulp and a paper. Jute has many advantages as home textile in either replacing cotton or blending with it. Yes, again where it is used? It is used in a home textile, nothing but mat and all. In that also it is used. Here is the jute fiber, then to the yarn, then to the fabric. In this manner, there is a jute fiber is made. How the jute fiber, we are getting the jute fibers. First the fiber they will collect. The fibers will be in this manner. Then they will make it a yarns. For this only we are calling yarns. Cotton yarns, jute yarns. This is the jute yarn. Then they will prepare a fabric in this manner. This is all about the jute concept. Here in this you have to remember the uses of jute here. Okay. The next we will see the next plant fiber we are going to study today is coir. Coir is the fiber obtained from an outer covering of the fruit of a coconut palm. How we are getting the coir, dear students? We are getting the coir from the outer covering of the fruit of the coconut palm here. Here I will show you the picture of a coconut palm here. Yes, this is the coconut. Yes, this outer covering of the coconut it is. For that we are calling it as a coconut husk we are calling. From this coconut husk, they will prepare a coir in this manner. You can see this is the husk. Which is the husk here? This is the coconut husk. Using this they will make a coir in this manner. Okay, let us see about the coir here. From where we are getting this coir? Outer covering of the coconut palm here. Coconuts are soaked in a water and then their husk is separated. First what they will do, dear students? They will remove the coconut, they will soak the coconut in a water. Then they will remove the coconut husk. This is the coconut husk. First what they will do, before removing this coconut husk, they will soak this in a water. They will soak the coconut in a water. After that they will remove the coconut husk. For this only we are calling it as a coconut husk. Coconuts are soaked in a water, then their husk is separated. The husk is then beaten to get the fiber. Then what they will do? First they will soak in a water, then they will separate that husk, then they will beat that husk here. They will beat the husk to get the fiber called a coir. After beating that husk, then what we are getting? We are getting this coir we are getting. First what they will do? They will soak in a water, then they will separate this husk, then they will beat that husk. After that we are calling this coir, we are getting this coir. Remember how that procedure. Coir is spun, dyed and woven. What they will do? Whether they will do spinning process, then the dyeing is nothing but color. They will give color to that coir, then they will weave in whichever manner they want. Coir is used to make a number of household products. Okay, where this coir we are using? We are using in a number of household products like a mat. Yes, we are using here mats. That mats are also made up of this coir. Ropes. Yes, dear students, you can see the picture of coir ropes. This is the coir rope here. You can see this is a coir ropes it is. Okay. Where it is used? In a household products. Coir is used in a household products like a mats, ropes, floor coverings. Yes, whatever will put the coverings for the floors. In that also this coir is used. They are also used to stuff mattress and pillow. Nothing but in a bed and a pillows. Okay. To fill that bed and a pillow, they are using a coir here. This is all about the uses of coir. So dear students, what you have to do? We have studied the plant fibers. Plant fibers like a cotton, next jute and coir. So in this, what you have to do? Read this one and the uses of cotton, uses of jute and uses of coir. You have to collect the points. This is your homework. Okay, collect the uses of cotton, jute and coir and write in your rough book. In the next video class, we will continue with this lesson. Till that, have a nice day. Thank you.